how to create, use, and manage templates in mobohubb. Creating a weekly template. mobohubb also allows you to create templates for an entire week. This is especially useful when your schedules follow a recurring pattern. Instead of rebuilding every shift for every user each week, you can save the entire week's schedule as a template and reuse it whenever needed. Before creating a weekly template, make sure the week's schedule is fully completed. In other words, your entire week should already be built exactly the way you want it. Once everything is ready, click Actions and select Save Week as Template. For this example, we'll call it Weekly Template. Click Save Template. Navigate to the week where you want to recreate that schedule. Click Actions and then select Copy from Template. Select the template you created, in this case Weekly Template, and click Add from Template. The system will automatically recreate all the shifts stored within that template. This allows you to build recurring schedules in seconds instead of spending time recreating them manually. One important thing to remember is that templates do not replace existing shifts. They are added alongside any shifts that already exist in the schedule. For example, earlier we created a single shift using a shift template. After applying the weekly template, that shift still remains in the schedule and is not replaced. Because of this, it's important to review your schedule after applying templates to avoid creating duplicate shifts.